Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to add Robux in your Roblox account. Just watch the video to add it. At the top right corner you may see the Robux. Just click it, and now my balance is 0, and now I'm going to put 80 Robux. Just click it, it's around $1. Yeah, it shows the Indian money of 100 rupees. So just click next. Now we need to add our credit or debit card details. Just click and add your debit or credit card details like card number, expiry, CVV, and your address and card holder name. Those details you need to add, and just click open bank website. Now the pop-up will be shown from the browser. It shows like just for verifying you need to spend 2 rupees, and you may get the OTP to your registered mobile number. And now it's all set. We done our verification. Now we are going to buy 80 Robux. Again it shows our card name and those details. You need to enter CVV and click next. Again open bank website. The OTP will be received to your registered mobile number. Just enter it and click submit, and now it's all set. Yeah, it shows purchase success. Just close it, and just close it and refresh whether the purchase is showing or not. Yeah, now it's showing like 80 Robux. So this is how we need to add the Robux in Roblox account. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. TechTube.